anticlimactic, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right?
It's gonna be really cool when they land it. Because they're landing 2 boosters instead of 1.
That's gonna right up the place up.
If you were closer, then it'd be.
They did it!
Dude.
Perfect timing. Great timing.
Do you see all that red?
Once that breaks the sound barrier.
Well, I lost it on my phone. Oh no, I see it.
Yeah.
No, I see it like in real life. It's just hard to see on the phone. I can't believe they actually launched it.
I can't believe it launched.
Right?
Wow. That's impressive. Look. You see?
I don't see.
You see it? They just dropped off.
I see it.
I don't see it. Where is it?
I'm not even wearing my glasses. Right there. They just follow the trail of the smoke. Oh, it's not. You can't see it.
These actually land.
You can't see it anymore.
No, I mean I see that. I just don't see it disconnect the parts that
no,
fell.
I don't either.
Just like filming an empty sky right now until I see it. Let's walk over there because it's gonna land.
What?
It's gonna land like here. I
They
don't
dropped
see.
off.
I didn't see it drop off.
Are you watching the video of it?
No, I'm not watching the video.
I'm gonna go. I'll watch it later.
Yeah.
I really want to see it, like them all disconnect. I saw 2 drop off,
Look at that cloud.
and the main keep going. Land right here.
You think when that lands, it'll break the sound barrier?
Yeah, it
Wow,
does
dude.
every time.
Yeah.
But
I can't wait for that.
if they do it.
It's my favorite part.
I think, isn't that what's supposed to be hard? Landing both of them?
It makes me wanna
I
shit
think
myself.
launching that thing was like
I love
Harder?
super hard.
I love
Yeah.
shitting myself.
Because the like the rockets, how they were attached,
I know, yeah.
they were attached by single beams.
Thanks, I'm a little cold.
Me too.
It was really hot in the sun, but in the shade it's breezy. Easy breezy. Beautiful covers up.
It's a long time.
Oh, right. It's supposed to be like 8 minutes. Oh, well. I guess I'm just going to keep filming this.
Yeah, I wish this was on my nose.
Yeah, that would have been incredible. Especially how the separation looked at night. Hey, look at those people on the roof of that hotel.
Where?
Right next to the American flag. Right there.
Oh yeah.
Right there, Zach. Yellow hotel, American flag. Right next to this little...
Oh, it's a pole.
No, this way, Zach. Right there.
Their dicks are
Those
hanging
two
out.
guys.
Look. See the dicks? They're flapping in the wind. Like the flag. The American dick.
That was incredible.
Yeah. Omar didn't like it.
He said that.
He was like, it was so anticlimactic. Yeah. I mean, it was obviously been a lot better standing there.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 2 more minutes.
Yeah,
till
it
then.
would have been. That was a huge freaking bolt of light.
Yeah.
At night, it would have been so
That was so much bigger than all the
I don't-
any other one we've seen.
I don't think I ever saw like that big
This
red
guy,
thing.
dude. I want to.
I think the sound, I thought it was going to be, the sound I thought was going to be
Louder.
louder.
Yes, same as always. Oh my god!
Are those UFOs? Uh-oh.
One of. Why they. Oh, they turned it off.
This time. If he lands all 3 of these, he's going to blow everyone's minds.
He's trying to land all 3?
Yeah.
I thought he was only landing 2.
Yeah, he's landing one on a barge.
Oh, true.
He's landing the 2 on base right here.
Yeah. I'm glad we have all these other people looking because I would have missed that.
Same.
Oh, is that them?
It's so hard to see him. You should be able to
Or are
see
those
him.
birds?
No, that's them.
That's them.
That's them. Right there.
Where?
Right there, falling right next to the cloud. Right next to the cloud, right there.
Yeah. Boom! Dude.
Son of a bitch. Holy shit, they're so they're
Oh
going
my
so
god.
fast.
They're way too fast right now.
Yo,
They're so close.
turn them on.
Yes.
How the hell did you do that? Some good engineering.
How did you do that?
And now time to hear the boom.
Everyone loves this. Oh my god! Holy,
Dude, look at the windows shake.
holy shit! That was so
Woo!
tight.
What?
Damn, Elon.
That was so tight.
Wonder what happened to the third one.
That was really tight.
It probably
Find
landed.
out on the internet.
Probably landed.